Okay, you ready?
Yes.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go!
Welcome to La Quinta. I'm in La Quinta. It's an unusual place. It's actually it's a bit like finca area where you can go and walk the dogs, and it's like an hour-long walk in the morning, and it's just where I live actually. Okay, good boy. I think it's nice. I feel like you're back from everything. It's very green. There's some lovely trees here. It's just a really nice feeling. If you don't want to get into the thick of it, you can just stay back here and use the back roads. You don't have to get onto the main carretera to the busy periods. It's really nice. We've got obviously the golf club here and the hotel, the Westin, which was established many years ago. We're sort of in between two of the main roads, so the Ronda Road and the Benevis Road, where you'll find so many restaurants and so many places to go. It's really lovely here. So here is the Westin Hotel. It's actually been here for over 20 years now. I remember it very well. It's a really nice Andalusian theme. It's timeless, really. I think it's a really lovely hotel, and it's looked after so well. And there's a spa area and restaurants as well in the hotel. Obviously, yeah, the golf. There's 27 holes in La Quinta, so yeah, you can have a good day out golfing. So there's a whole new area of La Quinta being built at the moment. It's just over on the hillside over there. It's called Real de la Quinta, and it's going to have the most amazing amenities. It's going to be centered around a lake, which you can use for water sports, not the engine kind, just the paddling kind. Yeah, so around the lake will be a golf course, and there is a golf academy for you to improve your game before you're let loose on the rest of the golf courses out here. And there's facilities for tennis, there's an indoor area, spa, gym, a 25-metre lap pool. So there's a lot of things to do if you are liking sport. So lots of walks, lots of hills as well to go around, but it's just a really nice place to be. There'll be also shops up there, and it's just going to be a whole new La Quinta. They have a barrier at the entrance and a lot of cameras, so it's going to be a very secure project. Roughly the plots are 2,000 square meters around about, and you can build 4 levels, which is really good. It's great for younger people, older people. There's something for everybody. Oh, it's fantastic for Marbella. There's nothing else that will come up to this project in Marbella at all. There's nowhere to build this project again. So once this is done, that's it. So the value will go up. Welcome to Horizon. We have the plots that are here. This is the view that you can see. Gibraltar all the way round to La Concha Mountain, and the lake, which is going right in the centre of the Real de la Quinta. The sun's just going down now, so you can see how beautiful it is up here. We've got a beautiful day today, and yeah, it's so lovely. there's 18 plots that you can buy. You can buy them as a whole, so for a development or investment, or if you have your own dream and you want to build your own villa, then they are individual plots as well. So quite good choices. Yeah, so we can have views of Gibraltar, obviously the sea, and also the beautiful La Concha mountain. So the plots are available in all the areas. It's just fantastic, the views here. This is the perfect place to have a lovely new lifestyle to embrace. The question is, are you ready to make the choice? Thank you for joining me. It's been really nice showing you around everywhere. Just click on the link below and you'll find everything. Thank you. Bye.